Okay, this morning I'm getting up early for you guys. I know that your schedules are hard, so I just wanted to give you guys an earlier time for the really important feature of the automated workflows. A reminder, this is just a quick overview of what we're going to be covering today. If you actually need anything specific, you are going to go to help.radiusbob.com and you can search for automated workflows. And here are the instructions. So that way you can actually follow them slowly. This is not slow. There's also, if you look in here, Open Enrollment Prep Academy. So this had some helpful tips for that. So you can always look there on the Open Enrollment Prep Academy or the boot camp, which is a deep dive into the key features of Radius. So I would definitely recommend any of these tutorials if you're looking for the information about how to do each step. Otherwise, you can just join today's session and I will hand hold you through the process of building these workflows. So, how do we build those workflows? We go to, first we move me, and then we go to settings, and we go to account tags. This is the first part. We're going to create a tag of AEP review needed. Add a tag. Now, we're going to go to settings, automated workflows, and we're going to add a workflow for AP review needed clients. And we'll do a different one for leads. So this is just for clients who are tagged with AP review needed. Save that trigger. Now we scroll down and we can add whatever actions we want for this campaign. So we can send them an email minute one. And what I recommend doing is triggering the campaign by adding the tag to each of your clients on October 1st. I'll show you how to do that. Just let's keep going with this though. So first thing we're going to do is send an email to the leader client. In yesterday's training, we built an email template so that way they could schedule a review time. So we're going to add that AAP client email number 1, minute 1. So that would be minute 1 of October 1st marketing campaign. And then maybe we'll also start calling them 15 days later. So on October 15th, we're going to actually start calling them. So we'll add them into the AEP clients check-in phone queue, save action. You can keep on adding text reminders. You can add in anything that you want here. So maybe day 20, you can send to the leader, the client. Hi, first name. I want to make sure you saw my email about scheduling a review for your 2022 options. My calendar is here for you. And you can even grab, like we did on the first day, the scheduling link for the assigned agent to choose from. See you soon. And then scroll down and save that action. Again, we can keep on tagging as much as we want. So not tagging, I'm sorry. We can keep on adding as many actions as we want. 2 important actions that I would do for this campaign would be to remove it from the call queue. Let's say this year is more normal for the open enrollment period. So we're going to do 93 days after we send out the initial message. We're just going to remove them from that AAP clients check-in automatically. So if we didn't hit them and we didn't remove the tag manually, they'll get removed from that so we can use it for next year. This will make more sense when we go over it on the live session. We can also remove the tag from this. So that way you can just remove the tag. Again, let's do 94 days after. So that way it's just removed, and next year you don't have to rebuild this whole thing. The reason is because I've got this stop workflow if no longer matches criteria checked, which will remove them from the campaign if they no longer match the campaign tagged with AEP review needed. So how do you do an update for your clients to trigger this workflow? You would go to clients. Well, actually, first I'll say, go to calendar, then go to add event for October 1st, say reminder to tag people as AEP review needed for workflow, however you want to say it. So, and then you're going to do that on October 1st at 8 a.m., whatever you want to do. I don't want to be up at 8 a.m., but I am earlier than that right now. Okay, so then I would say it would just be a generic task or whatever you wanted. So on October 1st, I'm going to have that in my calendar. So I remember to go to clients. I will scroll down to the bottom and I will change it to maybe 250 clients per page. I wouldn't do much more than that because it will take some computing power to do a large number. But once you change it to about 250, scroll to the top of the list, use this select all option, bulk update, and you can add that tag. So add the tag of AEP review needed, submit, and then that's going to trigger that client workflow. When you do speak with them, or if you get information where you shouldn't be marketing to them anymore for that, all you have to do to remove them is remove the tag of AEP review needed, and it will remove all of the pending actions for that workflow. So it's as simple as that. Just create the tag, bulk update them with the tag on October 1st, and then remove the tag when you schedule with them. That's it. I will see you guys later to help you build this out in full and answer more specific questions. But remember, the help app is always here for you to search for any questions, or you can go to help.radiusbob so that way you can actually see the specifics of the instructions for each thing and the deep dives. All right, see you soon. Bye.